So most times when we have equations, they are in two different forms. One is called standard form, which looks like this: ax plus by plus c equals 0, or what we have been looking at in our studies so far, where our equation looks like ax plus by equals c. Now, both of these types of standard form equations of a line are very important because they allow us to find our x and y intercepts very quickly. Now, they're not as good because of this. We can't quickly draw these lines. Okay. Now, it's quick to find the x and y intercepts because all you need are just the x, y intercept and the y intercept, and all you do is connect the lines, connect the dots to draw the line. Now, for changing these standard points, these standard lines, into a new form called the slope point form, which is in the form y equals mx plus b, which is what you know as the equation of line, where this, the m value, is our slope, which is the rise over run, also known as the slope, and the b value, which is the y-intercept. Some of you might call this the starting point. Now, the key is, how do we go from here to this form? Y equals mx plus b. Right? How the heck do we do that? Now, how do we do that is pretty easy because we've practiced it throughout this semester. We rearrange, or we use this special term: solve for y. All right, so let's go and take a look at some examples that I prepared for you. So here is the examples that I want you to do. So sometimes you'll see someone say, change these to y equals mx plus b form, or otherwise known as the point slope form. So imagine I have an equation, 2x plus 3y equals 6. So the key idea is to isolate y by leaving y on the left side of the equation and moving everything to the right side of the rest of it to the right side of the equation. So in this case, we're going to get 3y is equal to, well, see this 2x that we have here? I want this 2x to be at the front of the next portion of my equation. So we're going to get 2x, and it's not 2x, it's actually minus 2x because we've moved it to the other side of the equation, and then we have plus 6. Now, in order to get y by itself, we have to divide everything by 3. So you notice the 3 is only applied to the numbers that are applied to every variable. So instead of negative 2x divided by 3, it's negative 2 over 3 times x. And that's where this part comes in. So now, when we end up with our final equation, so our equation is y is equal to negative 2 over 3x. Well, 6 divided by 3 gives us 2. And now I could tell you right away that the slope, m, is negative 2 over 3, and our intercept, our y-intercept, b, is equal to 2. Now, imagine I give you another problem like this. Well, let's say I have this. 4x plus 2y is equal to, say, 15. you're going to move everything just like before. So you got 2y on this side, and then we're going to take our 4x here, and we're going to move it just in front of the 15. So we end up with negative 4x and then plus 15. Now, when you do this, the last thing that we have to do is we have to divide both sides by 2. And we divide by 2, and we end up with y in our final answer equaling, well, negative 4 divided by 2 simplifies just negative 2 over 1, otherwise known as negative 2x. And then 15 over 2 can't be really changed, but you could have written it as either 7.5, or when we're doing math in a math class, we leave it as 15 over 2 since we cannot reduce that any farther. Now, if I asked you, you could easily tell me what the slope is. M is equal to 2, sorry, not 2, but negative 2. Or you could have written it as negative 2 over 1, where our B value is, our y-intercept, our B value is 15 over 2, otherwise known as 7.5. And we're done. That's it.